Good day, everyone. Les here from BG Trading. Hope you are well. Today is October 24th, 2022. I will be talking about five trading opportunities that I think will be a breakout to the upside for potential 20 to 40% in the short term. So let's have a look. Guys, I just want to remind you, this isn't financial advice. It's just us from BG Trading sharing with you how we apply our strategies to know when to buy and when to sell stocks, how we set up targets, stop losses, how we avoid FOMO, and much more on this channel. So if you would like to learn about it, you just starting on the stock market, want to avoid doing the most silly mistakes, just watch those videos. It's it's really good content, and also share this video with someone that you believe would be interested and need some help. Lastly, I would like to invite you, obviously, to become a member of our free Facebook community, Buy, Grow, Sell Strategy for Share Trade. This is a group, and we also have a page. And then we also have an Instagram account, BG Trading AU. So follow us and learn a little bit what we do, and hope that will help you to make better trading decisions and fantastic trades. That's all about BG Trading. So let's start with the first. The first is an ETF fund, which obviously we've been tracking those ETF. We trade ETF funds because, first of all, by trading ETF, you actually automatically diversifying your investment into whatever the ETF fund is exposed to. In this case, we're talking about GGUS, which is better share geared US equity funds. Basically, it is indexed to SP 500. If the SP 500 goes up 5%, this thing goes up 10 or 12%. And obviously, there's also counting to a currency variation between Australian dollar and US dollar, but most of the movement is based on SP 500. And now, according to those indicators, I can see the SP 500 is sort of exhaust in terms of downside, and I can see that we have a potential upside of 20% from this sort of bottom accumulation, so for sort of speaking, and then that's when the time we would like to be buying it, not after this thing is up. This is the time. So then obviously here, if we follow this. Basically, what we wanted to do, it's at least 20%. So 20% would bring it even under to what the trend is at the moment, which is down, and it's still sort of giving you exit before the top of the trend. So make a very reasonable and sensible trading opportunity on this one. So just like to share. So the second one is Senner Limited, which is Australian listed company. And also, as you can see here, the company is obviously generating more revenue than ever. It has increased a little bit its debt, but essentially, when we normally buy stock, I suggest you to just quickly jump on ASX if you don't want to go through the fundamentals. Obviously, we have to go through the fundamentals and understand exactly what the prospect is. But just jump into the ASX website, type the code, and take a look at this chart here. And you have an idea whether the company generates any revenue, what's the debt, the net profit position of the company. Obviously, here there's almost there's a $90 million debt on FY22, and then what's the prospect? That's what we normally do for our VP members. But here you can see there's a solid business that has been growing its revenue really well, and then and then that's endorse the position, any entry on this stock, especially when it's trading remarkably below it was last year. So this is a very interesting position to look at. And again, like we would be targeting at least 20 to 40% on this on this entry here. And there was a little breakout. There's a breakout here, and then now what suggests, according to this chart, suggesting that we're going to see CTT going heading towards $2 or $1.60 at least, and potentially even $2 after that. So this is the first stock. Then the second stock that we wanted to share with you is obviously Novonix. So we've been trading Novonix for a while. We had taken stop loss in the last trade, but our past trades has been incredibly profitable. This is not longer applicable at the moment. But what I wanted to show you here is with Novonix is basically that the indicators has been backed up by strong financial benefit the company has been able to capitalize, and then obviously the market really like that. And then look, this is a company that the industry needs it. Needs its technology. Obviously, its company has burned a lot of money in R&D, but at the current price, it's worth in taking a look at, especially on this chart formation, as we have what we call a bullish intersection level 1 here. And when this bullish intersection is confirmed, we might see another potential a further rally, and in this case I would be expecting Novonix to go at least to $3, which gives us a 25 to 35% opportunity for profit in this position. So this is a really good stock to take a look at. Obviously target stop losses and everything is we only disclose it with our VIP members, but it's sensible to know that if you're taking a very risky stock but at the lower prices, it is where you wanted to be buying it. We never want to be buying around the top of the cycle, which happened also last year. You want to be buying at the bottom of the cycle, especially companies that has a great prospect. And that's what we wanted to be looking at. So this is the third investment or trading opportunity that I was liking to share with you. The other one is PointBets. PointBets is again like a stock that we've been trading several times, and then obviously it took a hit with the sell-off of tech stocks. Let me just close this button, those two indicators. But our indicators are showing that this could be is just about takeoff, and we have also what we call bullish intersection level 1 here, which is exactly what we want to be looking at when we buy stock. You want to be buying the stock after a bullish intersection level 1 to be safe and hold as long as it stays on the bullish side. And then the yellow line also shows that the candles are trading above, and that's exactly where we wanted to be holding at, above the yellow line. So this is the fourth position. Now the fifth position, the last one today, will be Lake Resources. Lake Resources is speculative lithium developer. Okay, speculative lithium developer, and this is obviously this is a stock that has been also very profitable for us together with the CXO, but it's currently, look, market is skeptical about stocks like this at the moment, but there has been a good sort of a consolidation phase here, and then I think, according to the indicators that we normally following, we about to confirm a bullish intersection level 1 here as well, and with this bullish intersection and the fact that the stock is actually trading under the SMA 250 and under the SMA 40. Puts any entry this stock at technically discounted price, and that's where you want to be buying speculative stocks at technically discounted price, never at formal area or close to full area, especially in a market like this. But remember, every time the market is uneasy like this and fearful, that's when the best opportunities come on. And I think, honestly, I think there will be a rally over the next couple of months, and obviously still subjected to CPI, but things has started to improve, and things has started showing that everything pointed towards recession. A recession is good for stock market because it shows that central banks tend to apply monetary policies that help stock markets, like quantitative easing or even interest rates cuts. The biggest problem was inflation, and then that sort of, I would say, speculating here, guys, to be honest, it's we are near there. We are almost there. If we are not there yet, and as soon as the market confirms that we are there in terms of containing inflation, then things will rally really, really strongly, and you don't want to be missing. At least we don't want to be missing. So, okay, so 5 trading opportunities. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please put at the comments below what you think about those stocks. And share your thoughts with us. Would be love to see. Have a great week, guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye. The whole idea when we designed BG Trading BGS 20 strategy was to use only a set number of indicators to make it simple and clear to understand, and to be able to apply our KPIs very easily and very effectively. So you don't have to be any Wall Street smart person to be able to apply those strategies. We really hope this course will help you to make better decisions and make successful trades. See you in the course.